Okay, good morning to all of you. I can see here only few students have joined. I don't know what is the reason. Okay, so we'll start the lab session. So in the last lab, which practical we have performed? Which was the last practical we have done in the last lab session? Networking commands in the command prompt, right? If I'm not wrong. Okay, good. Okay, so today we will start with the another practical that is about the configuration of the email services, right? So let's start with that. Okay, so first of all, open the Cisco packet tracer in your system. Let me paste the definition of the next practical that we are going to perform today. I think this is the third practical or the fourth practical. This is the third practical in your batch, right? Okay, so first of all, open the Cisco packet tracer in your system. Once you are done with, just acknowledge me in the chat box, done. Once you open the Cisco packet tracer, write in the chat box, done, so that I can move forward. Okay, so sharing my screen. Okay, so today we are going to configure the email server, right? So first of all, we need to set the devices on the platform, right? So first of all, we require the two pieces because for sending the mail, we require two pieces for the any type of communication. We require two hosts, right? So as a host, we are taking the PC here. So first of all, we need to take PC from this, right? So here I am taking the two PC. I'm taking one switch to connect this two PC. So I'm taking the PT switch here and connecting this two PC with the switch, right? And one more thing that I have connected with the switch, for that the switch needs to be connected with some network, and for connecting the switch with the network we require the router, right? So in this only, in the networking device, you can see here the switch, router, hub, all these things you can see here. So from that you have to click on the router, and there are different variants of the router you can see, right, which have a different configurations. But for now we are taking the general configuration router, so we'll take PT router of the same configuration we have taken for the switch also, switch PT. Then next is the server. So server you will find from the network device is the first one. If you can see my cursor, you can see here this is the network device. and next to that there is an end device. In the end devices you can see PC, laptop, server, printer. So from that you have to pick up the server and you need to put it on the screen. So these are the devices that you have to take before connecting them with each other. First of all, you have to place all the devices. Then after you need to give the connections. So for that, the fourth tab on the bottom side, the fourth tab is connections. And when you click on the connections, you can see here, if you see my cursor, the first one is automatically choose connection type. अभी ये नेम कहाँ पे लिखा है, अगर आपको मेरी स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा है, यू कैन सी हियर दी बॉटम लाइन, जो बॉटम लाइन है, ये जो टूल की बॉटम लाइन अगर आप देख सकते हो, अगर मैं यहाँ से कर्सर हटा लूंगी सो आपको नहीं पता चलेगा. So if you see the bottom line of this tool, it is written here, automatically choose connection type. Right? Is it visible to all? दिख रहा है सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to choose this connection type. So I'm clicking on this connection and I'm giving connections to all the devices. You have to do this practical parallelly with me. अगर आप पीछे रह जाते हो, then just interrupt me, that wait for a while. If you are not doing parallelly, you will not get the output. As and when it is done, let me know in the chat box, done. अगर कोई भी डिवाइस नहीं मिल रहा है, let me know. Okay, so I think everybody has done. Now, by placing all these devices here, we have to give the email addresses, right? पहले तो हमें क्या करना होगा, email addresses देने हैं, default gateway देना है, right? So from where the message transfer takes place. So before giving the IP address internally, पहले हमारी information के लिए हम यहाँ पे एक note लगाएं. We'll place one note here just for our information that we have given this IP address to this PC. So for that, just go to the below to the menu bar, you can see here, and from that you have to take this place note. If you can see my cursor, you can see I am choosing the place note and I am writing the IP addresses at the outer side, right? So first of all, for the first PC, I am giving the IP address 192.168.1.3. Same I'll give to this PC also. Again, I'm taking the note, place note here, 192.168.1. Let's say यहाँ पे 3 दे देते हैं और यहाँ पे 4, sorry 2. So 192.168.1.2 and 192.168.1.3, right? So first of all, you have to give the IP addresses to this. Then I need to set the default gateway. अभी यहाँ पे default gateway क्या होगा? From where the packet will be traversed from one device to the another device. There should be some kind of a gateway, right? So for that gateway, I need to give the IP addresses. So for here, I am using the IP addresses. I'm placing the note here that if I'm using this gateway from switch to the router, the IP addresses will be 192.168.1.1, right? Then there is also one another gateway between router and the server. So for that, I need to give the IP address to that also, right? So again, I'll take a note and I'll give the default gateway 192.168.2.1, and I need to give the IP address to the server as well. right? This belongs to this, and I need to give IP address to the server. So I'll give 192.168.2.2, right? पहले ये सारे जो आईपी एड्रेसेस हमने बाहर दिए हैं सारे डिवाइसेस को, फर्स्ट यू नीड टू नोट डाउन दिस आईपी एड्रेस. Make sure that you are not skipping any IP address here. If you are unable to see the numbers, you can ask me. Let me know in the chat box if you are done. Mohammed Yasin, have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now moving to the internal configuration, right? Now, if I want to give the IP address to this PC, I have to click on the PC, right? This is the normal procedure we are doing. I think this is the first practical, so we will not get. So for giving the IP address, I need to click on the PC, and you can see here the first tab, that is IP configuration. So you need to click on the IP configuration. Now you can see here the different tabs, right? So first of all, I need to give the IP address to the first PC. So what IP address I have to give? If I forgot, then I have already mentioned at the outer side. I have already placed the note at the outer side of the PC 0, right? So the same IP address I have to give here. So that is 192.168.1.2. When I click on the tab button, the subnet mask will be automatically calculated, right? And here the default gateway, right? So what default gateway will be used here? Obviously, my message, my mail will be transferred from PC to switch and switch to the router, right? So first of all, that message will be reached at the server side, but for that the default gateway is used is switch and the router. So the default gateway for this PC will be 192.168.1.1, right? We have already placed a note of the default gateway, which is between the switch and the router, right? So 192.168.1.1, the same default gateway we are using for the PC 0, right? Now we'll close this tab. Going to the second PC, same procedure we need to do here also. Click on the desktop tab, the third tab, go to the IP configuration and write the IP address for the second PC, that is for the PC1, right? So here I am giving the IP address 192.168.1.3, right? I have already placed a note for PC1 also. So I have given the IP address for PC1. Click on the tab button, click on the another tab button, and you have to write the default gateway. So यहाँ पे default gateway क्या रहेगा? Obviously same ही रहेगा, क्योंकि ये भी PC same ही route follow करेगा जो PC1 ने किया है. I think you are doing with me, right?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, after giving the IPv4 address, so do we need to save that or we can just close it directly?
No, you don't need to save it. You just directly close it. It will be automatically saved.
Okay, ma'am.
Smriti is there in this batch? Yes, can anybody let me know Smriti is there in this batch?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Web.
ma'am. So she might have joined another link. She is saying that no one is in the lab today.
Okay, ma'am. I will tell.
Okay, just inform her, join this link.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so the same default gateway we have to use here 192.168.1.1, right? And close this tab. You don't need to save, right? The details which you have given here, it's already saved automatically. So close this tab. Once you are done with this, let me know in the chat box. Okay, now go to the server, go to the desktop, and for the server also, you need to give the IP address, right? So for the server IP address, what you have to do, whatever the IP address that you have given at the outer side of the server, that the same IP address you have to do for here also, right? So what was the IP address that you can see here? That is 192.168.2.2. Click on the tab button. Subnet mask will be automatically calculated. Click on the tab button. Now you need to give the default gateway. Now what should be the default gateway here? My message will be passed from the router to the server, right? And we have already placed the default gateway. Yes, exactly, Aditya. It will be 192.168.2.1, right? So you have to give the default gateway this. Then close this tab. Now it's done for the router, right? Click on the router. You can see here the config, right? When you click on the config, you can see the fast ethernet 0/0. When you click on this, you can see here the IP addresses. So fast ethernet 0/0 is between the switch and the router, and between the router and the server, that is fast ethernet 1/0, right? So for the fast ethernet 0/0, we know the default gateway that we have used for that is, we need to give here also, so 192.168.1.1, and the subnet mask, when you click on the tab, it will be automatically calculated, and you have to keep the port status on. So you have to check this button, and then you have to go for fast ethernet 1/0. The same thing you have to do. First of all, you need to check this button on, and then give the IP addresses, that is 192.168. What should be the IP address here? That should be 192.168.2.1. As you can see here, between the router and the server, the default gateway that we have used here is 2.1, right? So it should be 2.1. Make sure that you are keeping the port status on. Close this tab. Now, what you have to do? You have to go to the server because we are going to configure the email server, right? So for that, you have to go to the services. So if I click on the services, that is the third tab here, right? You can see here the list of the services. So you can see HTTP, DHCP, DHCP6, DNS, right? But here we are going to configure the email server. So for that, I need to click on the email server, and you need to check whether the services are on or off. By default, it is on. But let's see if it is off, then you need to on this services, right? Now here, domain name. Now, if I say the domain name, what should be the domain name? Let's say that if I have set the domain name as कोई भी अगर मेल लिखते हैं, then it has some domain name, right? अगर let's say that if I am writing the mail to any student who belongs to Marwadi, right? So the domain name उसका क्या होगा? marwadiuniversity.edu.in. आप लोगों का कुछ exactly idea नहीं है?
.ac.in.
.ac.in, right? So that is the domain name. So for that, I need to set some domain name here. Let's say that I am setting the domain name as Cisco, right? Now when I'm writing the cisco.com, I need to click on the set button so that my domain name will be set. And when I click on the set button, the button will be blurred. If it is not blurred, that means the domain name is not yet set. So after setting the domain, after writing the domain name, click on the set button. Now you have to give the two users because we have taken two PCs, right? So we have two hosts here. So for that, I need to give the username and the password. We have to set the username and password for both the hosts. So for that, I'm writing, let's say that the first username I'm giving here is, let's say ABC. And the password I'm setting 123, right? बहुत simple password set करना है. If you are setting the password complex, you will not remember it, right? यहाँ पे simple password check करना है. Just we are checking that whether the configuration we are doing at our site, it works or not, right? So here I'm giving the username ABC, password is 123, and you have to click on this button, plus button, which is given on the right hand side. So when I click on the plus button, it will be displayed here. Again, another user I have to set. So I'm setting PQR, setting the password 456. Again, I'm clicking on the plus button. So my two users will be set over here. If you can see my cursor, whatever the user that you have set in this tab, that will be displayed in the this dialog box. Once you are done with this, let me know in the chat box.
जय भवानी.
Share your screen, Aditya. It's blurred, dear. You can see. Now you cannot click on the set button once again. Right? Okay. Now, moving ahead, I think my screen is visible, right? So once you are done with this process, close this tab and go to the PC 0. That means the first PC, right? Now, in the first PC, you have to go to the third tab, desktop, in where you can find the email. यहाँ पे आपको email दिखेगा. You have to click on the email and you have to give all the details of your name, whatever the username that you have set on the server side, that name you have to put here. So I have set ABC. Then email address. So email address, we all know that it has something like your name at the rate domain name. So here the name of the user is ABC at the rate whatever the domain name that we have set at the server side, that we have to write. So we have set the Cisco. So abc at the rate cisco.com. Then इनकमिंग मेल सर्वर. सो यहाँ पे सर्वर तो एक ही है जहां से हमारा मेल जाएगा और जहां से मेल रिसीव होगा. There is only server from where we can send the mail and from where we can receive the mail, right? So the email address of the server. So email address क्या है? What is the email address of the server? It is already mentioned here at the outer side, right? This is the only reason why I have written the all the IP addresses here, right, at the outer side. So we have to write the IP address of the server. So that is 192.168.2.2. Same for the outgoing mail server, 192.168.2.2. Right? Now click on the tab button. Again, I need to give the username. Right? So what was the username? That is ABC, and the password that I have set, that is 123. बहुत ही simple password set किया था मैंने, 123. Now at this stage I need to save this details, right? अभी जो है यहाँ पे details save करनी है. You can see on the save button is there in this tab. So now you need to save this details which you have given. So save this details, close this tab. Do the same process for the second PC. So click on the second PC, go to the email. You have to write your name here. So it's a PQR. Email address is pqr@cisco.com. Incoming mail server will be 192.168.2.2. Outgoing mail server will be 192.168.2.2. Username, that is PQR, and the password is 456, and you need to save this details, right? Let me know in the chat box if you have done up to this. Yeah, you have done almost 90% if you are done with this. Okay, so I think everybody are on the same page. Now here in this, we have to compose one mail. So I'm composing one mail by clicking on the compose button. Now, one thing you need to be clear that I'm composing the mail from the second PC, right? So I have to give the email address of the first PC. So the first PC का जो email address है वो लिखना है. So first PC का email address क्या था? That is ABC. So I will write abc@cisco.com, and the subject is I'm testing whether it works or not. So subject is test, and I'm writing some message hi. Right? So sending this mail, and our mail is sent. Close this tab and we'll see whether this mail is received on the first PC or not. So for that, I need to click on the first PC, go to the email, and you can see here the receive button. So click on the receive button. It's received. So that works. So the same process I will do from the first PC, right? From the first PC, I will compose the mail to the second PC. So I'll write the email address of the second PC, that is pqr@cisco.com. Subject is test2. and the message is hello. Click on the send button and we'll see, close this tab, go to the second PC, email, and then receive. The mail is received, which is sent by the first PC. So you can see here, click on this mail, you can see the first PC's email address, that is abc@cisco.com, test2, and the message is hello. So let me know whether it works at your side or not. Okay, I'm getting the response from Pathik Devansh. Okay, good. Oh, so you might have done some mistake, Mohammed. Okay, well, resolve your error also. Getting error. कहाँ पे error आ रही है? What is the error, Aditya? Connection timeout. Okay, the same error which is there at the Mohammed end. So, okay, we'll see. So, can any one of you share your screen? For Pathik, Devansh, and Manav, they have done this practical. Okay, now let's see your error, what it is about.
Ma'am, is it visible?
Yes, it's visible.
I'm getting this error, ma'am.
Okay, open the Cisco packet tracer. Close the tab which is behind PC0 wala tab. Yes, close. Okay, maximize this tab. Okay, now go to the PC first. Want to check the IP addresses, IP configuration. Okay, you have not set the default gateway, dear.
Oh, yeah, ma'am.
Set default gateway as 1.1, 192.168.1.1. Same for the second PC. It's set here. Okay. Close. Now for the router, click on the router. Fast Ethernet 0/0 in the interface. Okay, so it's already set. That is 1.1. Okay, 1/0, 2.1. Okay, good. Close this tab. Let me check the server configuration. Click on the server, email. Okay, cisco.com, ABC. Sure. Okay, configuration. Go on the IP addresses, IP configuration. Desktop, fourth tab, desktop. IP configuration. Okay, 2.2, 2.1. Okay, good. Okay, close it. Now check once again. Compose one mail from any of the PC. Have you saved the details, Mohammed?
Sorry, ma'am.
Have you saved the details which you have given in PC0 for the email?
Yes, ma'am. I have saved it, but
Okay, just go to the configure mail, fifth button. In the desktop only, go to the desktop, fourth button, configure mail. Yes, you have saved, right? Okay, now compose the mail. Compose. Write the email address of the second PC. because we are composing from the first PC. Send.
Send.
Send, click on the send button. Oh, the mail has been sent, right? Now click on the second PC and check whether it's received or not. Email, receive.
Yes,
See,
ma'am.
it works. Okay, so
Okay.
Aditya,
Thank you.
yeah, Aditya, check whatever the steps that I have said to Mohammed. Maybe is there any point that you are missing? Is there any step you are missing? First, check that. Okay, so share your screen, Aditya. What about others? Ayush, Vidhi, Vasu, Manthan. Have you done? Okay, Vidhi has done. Good. Okay, okay. Take your time, Girish. Nikita done. Very good. Maximize your screen. Delete this switch, dear. This extra switch, delete it. वो डिलीट कहाँ से होगा? मैं दिखाती हूँ. जो थर्ड लाइन दिख रही है आपको, ओके ओके, शो मी द आईपी एड्रेसेस ऑफ द फर्स्ट पीसी. डिलीट हो गया. ऊपर जो है, जो क्रॉस लगा हुआ इसके, हाँ वो एक बार, हाँ. नाउ गो टू दैट डेस्कटॉप आईपी कॉन्फ़िगरेशन 1.2 1.1. ओके, क्लोज. Go to the second PC. 1.3 1.1. Okay, close. Server. Go to the server. 2.2 2.1. Services. Go to the services. Email. Cisco.com on ABC. Okay, close. Go to the router. Fast Ethernet 0/0. 1.1 and on 1/0. Okay, close. Go to the first PC. ईमेल में जाओ. कॉन्फ़िगर में लास्ट बटन, लास्ट बटन. क्लोज, यहाँ से क्लोज कर दो. सब टैब है, देखो यहाँ पे क्लोज. नहीं नहीं, वो नहीं, इसके नीचे वाला. हाँ, कॉन्फ़िगर में लास्ट बटन. 2.2 ओके, क्लोज दिस. कंपोज वन मेल. You have to write the user email address of second PC. That is PQR, I think. Email address of the second PC, because you are configuring, you are writing a mail from the first PC.
Yes, ma'am. I have named second PC as ADI.
Okay, okay. Okay, check at the second PC. Okay, connection timeout. सेकेंड पीसी पे एक बार चेक करके देखो कि मेल है कि नहीं. शायद नहीं होगा, बट स्टिल. It's not received, right? Okay. Aditya, just do one thing. Save this practical and mail it to me. I will
Okay,
check
ma'am.
all the configurations once again in detail. Okay, everybody has done? Okay, Smriti, what about you? Have you started because you have joined late?
Yes, ma'am. I've started. I'm doing on it. I'm working on it.
Okay. Okay, so Patik, can you share your screen? The practical that you have done? Okay, so it works for both the PC.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so it works well, right? Okay, good, good. Okay, Manthan,
Yes.
can you share your screen, Manthan?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay, can you share your screen, Manthan?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, it's loading.
Okay, we'll wait for 2 minutes. Girish, can you share your screen? जब तक मंथन का हो जाता है, can you share your screen? Why?
मैम एकदम से सिस्को क्रैश कर गया मैम, चालू ही नहीं हो रहा है। अब जब भी चालू कर रहा हूँ बंद हो जा रहा है बार बार चालू होके।
ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है?
मैम पता नहीं मैम, क्रैश करके मतलब अभी मैं अगर इसको खोलता हूँ ना तो मैम जो सिस्को पैकेट ट्रेसर का जो वाली विंडो है ना जिसपे मैम अपन वो सारा बिल्ड कर रहे हैं मैम, वो वाली विंडो खुल ही नहीं रही। ये netcat.com का बार बार लॉगिन पूछ रहा है और मैं ईमेल और यूजर नेम डाल रहा हूँ तो बार बार बंद हो जा रहा है।
Okay,
साइन अप
so
कर रहा हूँ अभी मैम
अभी
वापस।
तक चल रहा था?
मैम अभी 10 मिनट से ये कंटिन्यूअस बार बार ये मैम इशू दे रहा है। एकदम से अभी लैपटॉप बीच में बंद हो गया था बैटरी खत्म होने के कारण, पर फिर मैं जब से चार्जिंग लगा के चालू कर रहा हूँ तब से मैम ये दिक्कत दे रहा है मैम, चालू नहीं हो रहा है। बार बार ही netcat.com का लॉगिन दे रहा है। मैं जैसे ही लॉग इन कर रहा हूँ तो वो इनवैलिड बता रहा है, पर फिर मैंने अभी साइन अप के लिए करा तो 2 बार तो क्रैश हो गया, अभी तीसरी बार अभी चालू करके देख रहा हूँ, साइन अप के लिए जा रहा हूँ।
एक काम करो, इंटरनेट कनेक्ट करने से पहले एक बार सिस्को पैकेट ट्रेसर को चालू करो। ये ऑफलाइन मोड में भी वर्क करता है। अगर इंटरनेट मींस चालू होगा तो फिर कई बार ये यूजर आईडी के लिए पूछेगा साइन अप के लिए, बट ये ऑफलाइन में स्टार्ट करोगे so it will not ask for the sign up. तो एक बार ये ट्राई करके देखो।
पर मैम मैं अभी नेट बंद कर दूंगा तो मैं क्लास से बाहर निकल जाऊंगा एकदम से।
तुम अभी मोबाइल से ज्वाइन हो जाओ थोड़ी देर के लिए।
ठीक है मैम, मैं ट्राई करता हूँ ये वाली चीज की। ओके
ओके विधि,
Yes, ma'am.
कैन यू शेयर योर स्क्रीन?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, suddenly it's giving me error.
Which error?
It's not receiving or sending the mail.
Okay, have you done the configuration in both the PC?
Yes, ma'am.
Close this tab. Go to the main tab. Open the second PC. Show me IP configurations. Not DHCP. You don't have to select the DHCP. Go to the desktop. Third tab. Static. Yes, you have not given the IP address.
Okay.
If you are selecting the DHCP, it will automatically configure, but we are not configuring the DHCP protocol, right? So we have to manually give the IP addresses. So first give the IP addresses 192.168.1.3. Click on the tab button. Tab once again and give the default gateway 192.168. Default gateway, not DNS server, dear. Default gateway.
Oh, sorry, ma'am.
192.168.1.1. It's 192.
I guess I made the same mistake in PC0 also.
So check that also.
Okay, ma'am.
You have selected the DHCP. That's why it's not working. So 192.168.1.2. Click on tab button. Default gateway will be 1.1. It will be same for both the PC.
Okay.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now give similarly for the server also, right? Server के लिए भी ऐसे ही करना है, right? So now you can do it, right, by yourself.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. I'll do it.
Okay. Okay. So one more important thing that I want to ask you all, that have you started the CCNA course? How many of you have started the CCNA course? Let me know in the chat box. If you have started, then write started. If you have not yet started, then write not started. I get to know that how many of you have still not started that course. ओके, सो किसी को लॉगिन में इश्यू नहीं हो रहा है, राइट? सबका लॉगिन हो रहा है और सबको डैशबोर्ड पे कोर्स दिख रहा है. व्हाई बिपिन यू हैव नॉट स्टार्टेड? व्हाट इज द रीजन? अगर आप स्टार्ट नहीं करोगे, हाउ यू विल नो दैट वेदर इट वर्क्स और नॉट? Okay, no problem. So, I didn't know long issue. Okay, good. Okay, so if you have not yet started, if any of you have still not yet started, then please start it as soon as possible, because you have to complete the module 1 before your mid semester exam 1, and your mid sem will be, I think, in the 2nd or 3rd week of March, right? Yet there is no any circular, but it will be there in that duration, right? So before that you need to complete. Now in the February month there is only 1 week left, right? And in the March, in the first or the second week, not in the first but in the second or third week, there will be a midsem exam. So you have only 2 weeks to complete the course. Mid will be offline, yet there is no circular regarding, so I cannot say anything. Tushar, have you performed the practical today? You have not acknowledged me today. Yes, Tushar, have you performed the practical? Okay. Okay, so complete it before the next lab. Okay, so I think almost everybody has done the practical. Now time for attendance.
Excuse me, मैम.
Yes.
मैम ये प्रैक्टिकल सेव करना है तो कैसे करना है मैम?
You just
स्क्रीनशॉट
click.
लेना है?
नहीं, स्क्रीनशॉट्स तो लेना ही है, बट आपको प्रैक्टिकल भी सेव करना है. You have to take a screenshot of that you have received the mail in both the PCs, right? PC1, just go to the PC1 and the mail you received on PC1, you have to take a screenshot of that. Go to the PC2, go to the mail that you have received in PC2, take a screenshot of that.
ओके मैम.
Okay.
मैम और ये भी सेव करना है जो हमने किया सिस्को
Yes,
पैकेट.
yes, you have to save that also.
ओके मैम.
मैम ये सबमिट किधर करना है?
ये आपको एक फॉर्मेट बनाना है लैब
आपको मेल करना है या
मैनुअल
फिर
का.
क्लास?
नहीं, गूगल क्लासरूम में सबमिट करना है. I create a Google Classroom for your class.
Okay,
You have to submit there.
Okay, मैम.
Ma'am, can you please upload the format of the practical in the e-content, ma'am, please?
Yes, I'll plot that format in the content.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, attendance. Big data students 1, 2,
Yes, ma'am.
3, 4,
Present, ma'am.
5,
Present, ma'am.
Riddhi, you were not there in the lab.
Ma'am, I was there.
Okay, 7, 8, 9,
Present, ma'am.
10,
Present.
11, 12,
Present, ma'am.
13.
यस मैम.
Okay, so only 3 students absent in big data. Just wait. Yes, students. 1,
Present, ma'am.
2, 3, 4. 2 is there. 4, 5, 6,
Present, ma'am.
7, 57, 58,
Present, ma'am.
68, 69, 71.
Present, ma'am. 69.
Yes, ma'am.
69. Oh, D2D1. 2,
Present, ma'am.
3, 4, 5. 5, 6. Okay. Check these numbers. Okay, so thank you all of you. You may leave the session.